Hello, I'm Chelsea Fry with Motor Age Magazine. Artificial intelligence is changing and improving so many aspects of our society, including the automotive aftermarket. But while AI could lead to a marketing renaissance for auto repair shops, it can't replace doing the things that lead to a shop being successful. David Rogers is the Chief Operating Officer of Keller Bros. Inc., President of Auto Profit Masters, and President of Shop 4D. He's here today to explain how AI can revolutionize marketing for your shop. That is, if it's used properly. David, thanks for joining us today.
Hey, thanks for having me, Chelsea.
So why is it so important for AI technology to be based on carefully selected data?
Artificial intelligence can only learn from what you teach it. If you teach it to recognize quality customers and effective marketing, it will become an expert at identifying those things. But the opposite is also true. If you teach it that advertising is about attracting more cars and nothing else, then that AI is going to help you identify which marketing campaigns are going to drive cars. But when the marketing only focuses on car count, it's between the right customer who's ready to buy and is going to spend the kind of money that's worthwhile for the auto repair shop, you end up with a shop full of meaningless business, and you're very busy. Confuse that busyness with results. It's not going to turn to good things. So as more and more companies say that they use AI, it's critical to understand what they're using AI to do. If they don't understand what makes a quality customer, no amount of artificial intelligence will make that marketing more effective in finding and attracting the right new customers.
As you said, drawing in the right customers is so crucial. So what are some specific areas in which AI can help with marketing?
Well, artificial intelligence can help you plan your marketing budget to help prepare for seasonal slowdowns. That's something all of us experience. Every shop sees more cars. Well, let me restate that. Almost every shop sees more cars in the summer and fewer during the fall slowdowns. We have some exceptions in the snowbird areas. But successful shops use seasonal marketing plans to drive customers when they know a slowdown's coming. If you wait until it's already slow, it's much more difficult than to plan that ahead and make that work well. And what AI will allow the shops to do is get much more precise about when, where, and what to do. When to market, who to market to, how long to market, how much money to spend, and on what sort of direction you want to lead that customer. Armed with that, shops can take complete control of their marketing budget to drive customers wherever and whenever they need it. Artificial intelligence also allows shop owners to understand the effectiveness of marketing, even if that marketing company doesn't use artificial intelligence. What do I mean by that? Well, when you've trained the artificial intelligence to understand what makes a quality customer, it can show you exactly how effective your marketing has been. This means shop owners no longer have to depend on a marketing company to tell them how their marketing's doing. That's marketing freedom. And that's the patent pending technology that we've spent the last few years perfecting and developing. It's here, and the time is now. Don't be left behind. Get a chance to understand what artificial intelligence can do for you, and make sure you're doing it with people who understand who the right kind of customers are for your shop. That's the key to the future. Chelsea, it's exciting.
Yes, exactly. Thank you so much for explaining, the inner workings of AI and how, only good data leads to good results.
As independently owned auto repair facilities, we are now going to be able to use technology because of the patent protection that no one else is going to be able to use. Not the manufacturers, not the huge chains, nobody. It's ours. I'm excited.
To learn more about this topic, you can reach out to David at contact@shop4d.com. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me. I hope you have a fantastic week.